CORSAIR Frame 4000D LCD RS ARGB Modular Mid-Tower ATX PC case is designed for PC builders who want more than a standard enclosure, combining customization, airflow, and visual appeal into a modern chassis. One of its most distinctive features is the integrated Xenon Edge LCD touchscreen, which immediately sets this case apart from traditional designs. Rather than being just another RGB-focused case, the built-in display adds an extra layer of personalization, making it possible to create a setup that feels more interactive and visually unique. The modular design also makes this case especially appealing for builders who like flexibility during assembly or future upgrades. Instead of being locked into a fixed layout, the modular approach allows the system to adapt more easily as hardware requirements change over time. This can be particularly useful for enthusiasts who regularly update components or enjoy refining their PC's appearance and cooling configuration. Cooling is another major focus. The InfiniRail fan mounting system offers a more adaptable way to position fans, giving builders additional freedom when planning airflow. Rather than limiting installations to a single arrangement, the design provides flexibility that can help optimize cooling based on the chosen hardware. This becomes increasingly important in systems equipped with powerful processors and graphics cards that generate significant heat under heavy workloads. The inclusion of 4 RS-120 ARGB PWM fans means the case already arrives with a substantial cooling foundation. PWM control allows fan speeds to adjust according to system demands, helping balance cooling performance with quieter everyday operation. At the same time, the ARGB lighting provides synchronized visual effects that can become a centerpiece of a gaming or creator-focused desktop without requiring additional fan purchases right away. Another notable detail is the reverse motherboard compatibility, expanding the possibilities for users interested in alternative system layouts or cleaner cable presentation. This makes the chassis suitable for builders who appreciate experimenting with different configurations instead of following a conventional setup. Overall, this case is aimed at users who value both functionality and presentation. The combination of a touchscreen display, modular construction, flexible fan mounting, and 4 included ARGB PWM fans creates a platform that supports attractive builds while emphasizing cooling potential and future expandability. Those looking for a case that offers customization beyond simple lighting effects will likely find the CORSAIR Frame 4000D LCD RS ARGB an appealing option, especially if creating a distinctive and organized desktop build is a priority.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.